Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to fix Snapchat login failures. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to log in your Snapchat account again. So let's get started by opening Snapchat. Now, usually, if it says you have an error signing in, all you have to do is just wait about 10 to 15 minutes. And once that passes, you're going to be able to sign in. But if that's not the case and maybe you forgot the password, so just tap on forgot your password, and then it's gonna ask you to rewrite a new password with your email's verification. But if that's still not the solution, you can always try adding your email instead of your username. So for example, you typed your username and then your password and that didn't work. Try using your email, or vice versa. If you use your email, try using your username. And that's pretty much all the solutions I have for you. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.